हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते। एमजी ग्लोबल पुणे में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रोजेक्ट लेके आया हूँ जो पुणे सेंट्रल लोकेशन में सिचुएटेड है। एंड ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये नया लॉन्च प्रोजेक्ट है एक। इसमें आपको टोटल 5 एकर्स का लैंड पार्सल मिलता है फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स अरावली हिल्स विच इज मोस्ट फेमस। नेम ऑफ एनडीए हिल्स, यू कैन नो द नेम ऑफ एनडीए मीन्स आर्मी एरिया। दिस इज surrounded by green lush hills which is a beautiful flora and fauna of fountains and beautiful hillside view you will be availed from this. And this side is your kitchen space. You can see this beautiful kitchen. This kitchen is having enclosed die balcony and with parallel platform. You can see this beautiful parallel platform. The extended platform is having a sink this side. This is another space for your washing machine. This is a space for your cooking top and this is a space for your serving top. It's a beautiful window this side. Here you can have a 4-seater dining table placed over here, and also I am going to show you this beautiful lavish living cum dining space. This living space is lavish with having this beautiful chandelier placed over here. This is a dressing unit space this side, and this is this side. This is a beautiful space where you can easily sit with your family and friends and dear ones. The size of this balcony is approximately 12 feet by 5 feet. Now I am going to show you, this is the tiles finishing we are giving. These are high gloss tiles by Kajaria, and the finishing of these tiles are Italian marble finishing. This is a spacious lobby. You can see this spacious lobby. On this lobby at first you are getting this basin space. This basin is having a beautiful space occupied in this lovely lobby space. Just behind this basin, this is your common washroom. This common washroom is having a size of 8.5 feet by 5.5 feet. It's a very spacious washroom with having separate space for your bath. And now just opposite to it, this is your first bedroom. This first bedroom is having a size of approximately 11.5 feet by 10.5 feet with 90% of the wall coverage by this beautiful French style window. Not only that, this bedroom gives you a premium finishing and looks because everything is perfectly designed. And now I am going to show you your second bedroom, which will be your children's bedroom. The children's bedroom is having a size of approximately 12 feet by 11 feet. Onto that, on entry you will get this attached washroom space. This attached washroom is beautifully themed. It's a beige theme washroom with wall mount commode, and all the finishing we are giving, that is Esco finishing and Jaguar finishing. And here you can also see this bedroom is also having 80% windows. 80% of the space is occupied by this beautiful French window, and the space is about a size of 12.5 feet by 11.5 feet. Now I am going to show you your master bedroom. Let's see it. The master bedroom is the biggest of all. This master bedroom is having a size of 15.5 feet by 14 feet. It's a humongous, yes, it's humongous. And here you will be having another big French style window. Mosquito net we are providing everywhere. Here you can get this beautiful dressing unit space. This is a cupboard space. After that also you can see this beautiful walkable area. This is TV unit area. And now here also you are getting this attached washroom space. This attached washroom is having white themed. So if you are white lover, then you will definitely love this place. This is a beautiful washroom with having beautiful space with beautiful countertop basin. And also the project is developed by one of the topmost developer in Pune. The project is as per RERA, handover date is 2029 December, but builder is committing the handover by 2028 December, before 1 year. They are having a legacy of 40 plus years in Pune residential market. They have developed and delivered more than 30 plus residential community complexes, and they are known for their quality construction and finishing. So just to mention you that within 1 month we have received more than 253 number of tokens for this project. So it's a new launch project. So if you are really interested, please come. And the asking price of the property just start from 1.35 CR.